View and edit contractor profile. Once the CWG account application has been approved, the details of the master admin will be sent out to the company representative by email. After login to the CWG cloud platform, the menu item Contractor will be displayed on the left-hand side, and the Contractor Profile interface will display the details of the contractor, including company name, business registration number, address, and contact details. In order to modify the content of the contractor profile, user can click on the button Update Contractor Basic Information at the right-hand corner. Then the user can start to modify company address and company representative details, etc. After the modification is finished, user can click on the Save button at the right-hand corner. Then the modifications will be saved successfully. For some of the sensitive information in the contractor profile, user will have to click on the button Create Contractor Update Request to submit a change request, and user will be able to edit the content including company name, business registration number, and company authorization details. User can click on the button Submit Request once the modification is finished. After the application has been approved by CIC, user will be able to see the updated content under the contractor profile. View and edit master admin account. After login to the CWG, the name of the master admin will be displayed at the top right-hand corner of the interface. User can click on the name to see the details of the master account, including basic account details and contract details. In order to edit the master account details, user can click on the button Edit Account and modify the contents including email address, reset password, Chinese and English name, After the user click on the button Submit, all the contents of the master admin account will be updated. Create site admin account. In order to manage the contract separately by different account, user can access the contractor profile interface and click on the Create Site Admin Account button. Then the user can enter the site admin login name, email address, password, English name, and Chinese name. At the contract selection section, user can select the contracts and assign to the site admin. And the site admin account will be successfully created after the user click on the Create button. View and edit site admin account. To view the created site admin account, user can access the Admin Management menu item and select Search Site Admin. Click on the Search button, then the system will list out all the site admin account under the company. User can click on the search result to view the details of the specific site admin account. To edit the details of the site admin account, user can click on the Edit Account button and modify the details including email address, password, English and Chinese name. The modification process will be finished once the Submit button is clicked. User can also click on the button Assign Contracts and manage the assignations of the contracts. User can reassign the contract of a specific site admin and click on the button Submit when the assignation of the contract is done. If any of the site admin has left the company, master admin can also disable the site admin account by using the Delete Account function. Release locked site admin account. The site admin account will be locked when the user tries to log in with an incorrect password for a certain number of times. Once the site admin account is locked, the user will not be able to log into the system, and an alert message will also be displayed. In order to resolve this issue, the master admin will have to log into the CWG under Admin Management menu. Select Release Locked Account. The system will list out all the site admin account that is currently locked. The master admin can click on the Release Account button. Then the account will be released. After the locked account is released, site admin can log into the CWG again by using a valid password.